perfect. Something in my mind makes me think that ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.
Hey guys, Taco here. Today I have some Oculus gameplay I did on Vrchat during a Twitch stream I did, and I just dropped my mic. Fuck! Anyways, if you want more gameplay of me on Oculus or Vrchat with a group of my friends or just whatever, be sure to let me know on Instagram, Twitter, or in the comments below. And yeah, I'll be sure to add more variety to my channel because I don't want just to be specifically Vrchat. So if you came here for just Vrchat videos, go find other YouTubers. I'm a variety channel, not just specifically a Vrchat Oculus channel. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoy the video.
You're stuck. Hold on.
It's a very, what's the categorical avatar you have there? Or not? Oh yeah, by the way, just a heads up, I'd prefer you not use that.
Simp.
Because the TOS
Simp.
got updated, so
Simp.
any avatar
Simp.
that...
Simp. Simp.
Any
Simp.
avatar...
Simp.
Do you even know what the word means?
Simp.
I've known her for like a year now, shut the fuck up, please.
Simp. Simp.
Okay,
Simp.
Hey, bro.
What I was saying is that I was suggesting not using that avatar because TOS and gameplay editing, that's the thing now. Twitch TOS.
This is what I say to the TOS.
You see, but like, I have lawnmower. Lawnmower. Want to see lawnmower?
Lawnmower?
Lawnmower has joined the line. Prepare your grass.
This is what happens when you leave Gunner to a Unity pop. This is what happens when you leave Gunner with the Unity software alone. Is this not TOS friendly? This? I am streaming.
Oh, hi, I guess. I don't fucking know. I don't have followers.
I don't have any I'm not even in the hundreds. I think I got like 70.
Can I give you good stuff?
Good suck? Oh my god. I don't trust you with anything, Unity. For this specific reason. Did I get in trouble for doing this in a public server?
Me? No. I've been
No.
blocked by 300 people already, and my rank hasn't gone down once.
I
mean, I have another one.
Bad. There you go.
What do you think you're doing?
Patting your head, dumb shit.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That's what you're doing.
What do you think I'm doing? I'm trying to change your motor oil?
Yeah, you know what's funny is that this avatar is actually public.
What? Oh, it's made by somebody else.
It's not even made by me. Yeah, it's not even made
It
by
just seems like something you would make. Glitch. It was he did it. Here, take the cum shot. Oh.
No.
You want to take a shot?
No.
Shut up.
Barky, can I get something over?
Fuck you.
Yo, he sound like a N64 over here. No offense.
I sound like what?
Not you.
What? Oh.
Can you say Sega?
Can you go Sega?
Sega. Yeah.
Fuck, is my mic fucked?
Yeah, it sounds like an N64.
Sega.
Oh, I am the bar goblin. I'm the goblin of the bars.
Why he look like cauliflower though?
These look
I'll take
gross.
the special exit.
You're like an old cauliflower.
Get your
But I need them.
ooh.
I hate when people are like, "Do you have a vagina?"
That's
Do you
basically
have a
what they're
vagina?
asking. That's basically what they're asking.
If you do have a vagina, I'm gonna be rude to you.
Or I'm gonna be lewd to you and
Bad.
start making inappropriate jokes
Yeah,
towards
it's
you,
either,
no
it's
matter.
either they white knight you or they're lewd. Occasionally, you'll get someone that just treat you like a person.
Exactly.
Look at this cute
Everyone's
shit.
looking at something, and I think they're broken for me, and so they're stuck in one place. Let me change it to the avatar my friend made.
I like those shoes. Those are good MMD shoes.
Thank you. My friend made this for me.
I never said. No, I'm kidding. Do you know what sim means? It means for like, what is it? Oh, what does the M mean? It basically means like simple girls. It means like you're.
Yeah. He's just doing a documentary for his class about simping.
And he's the. He's the
What
subject.
is it?
A simple person
He's
who...
the sim.
A simple person lacking common sense.
I'm sorry.
That's more accurate.
Man fluid?
And look.
I was badly timed.
1 minute.
Drinking.
Go away.
Shot together.
Why you bully me?
Why you bullying me?
I'm drinking wild turkey right now. Cheap stuff.
That's a bird.
That's a bird. That's a bird.
Riley, you're half white. What the fuck are you talking about? You're not even a real black.
Hey guys, sorry for the abrupt ending. The outro was actually going to be something really funny, but instead, YouTube decided to copyright it, so, thanks YouTube! We were gonna do a, of my friend singing it, but we couldn't get things to work. Yeah, so instead I'll shout her out. Thank you, Liv, so much for trying. I appreciate you so much. Be sure to say nice things to her for trying so hard. So, I would like to ask for you guys to tell me what I should record next. I don't know what to record next. It could be anything from Minecraft to Minecraft to Vrchat to Discord, shenanigans, whatever. Be sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever I upload.
Again, see you again.